BMW M2 Cia taillight removal. First thing we're going to do is take our plastic clip remover and open the covers that are hiding two 10mm nuts. Then we just remove those nuts. Enjoy the sexy lens flare, courtesy of the California sunset. The top nut might need a little bit more encouragement to come out. So go and take your finger, put it inside the hole, and gently work it until you get the nut. Pull the inside of the taillight outward, and take your plastic clip remover and gently pry the taillight from the outside. Bring the bottom of the lens out first so you can maneuver the taillight around the trunk strut. Remove that taillight harness, and we out.